Direct from CIG, Motor City, Guatemala, the Kinect channel presents exclusive chest pass coverage of the AP Physics International Auto Show 2014.
Thank you. Absolute pleasure to be here. Miss Mariano, current student members, and of course, the media guests. Let's start with a look at the state of the Kinects in America. A market of clearly profound opportunities for our brand. And if there is really one word that describes our results experienced here, it's momentum.